Hello, wonderful people. Welcome back to our channel. Today, I'm showing you how to make a delicious shrimp stir fry in just 5 minutes. Oh, yes, just 5 minutes. I have my shrimp, and as you can see, I am washing it thoroughly. I got it right from the freezer, and everything has already been detailed, it's already been deveined, and also it is peeled, so it does not have eggshell around it. I am also going to marinate this, having all my nice spices over there, like cayenne pepper, my adobo spice, and the next thing is going to be honey. So I have 2 tablespoons of cayenne pepper. I also have the adobo all-purpose seasoning, 2 tablespoons, and just a tablespoon of honey. Sprinkle this with some salt, and I am ready to marinate this, set this aside, and cut my bell peppers. I'm going to let this simmer on low heat and going to take it out briefly. Then what follows next is going to be my shrimp. The shrimp is going to be all curled up, orange-like color, and it is going to look sumptuous. Aha! So while the shrimp is doing its own thing on the side, I am also getting other ingredients ready. I have my General Tso sauce in there, and that is just 1 tablespoon. So let me tell you a little about the General Tso sauce. You see the way I've taken my time? Tso. Okay, so it is spelled TSO. So the guy in me will certainly say cho, you know what I mean? Yeah, but the Chinese man will call it Tso. And it is a stir fry which has soy sauce, sugar, rice vinegar, ginger, pepper. It is very spicy, has garlic, and also cornstarch, which is gonna serve as the thickening agent. Since that is not much, I added my own cornstarch to it, which is also 2 tablespoons, and then let it simmer, take its time to give me that thickening vibe or make the sauce to thicken before I put in my vegetables. Kitchen is smelling so good. And in fact, you are really gonna enjoy this. Want to give it a try and let me know what you think in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching. Kindly subscribe, like, and leave a comment. We love you. Mwah.